In today's video, I will walk you through how to create text portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. Start by unlocking the background image by clicking the lock icon on the layer. Then go to View, Guides, and choose New Guide. Set it to vertical and click OK. Drag the guide into the center of the subject's face so everything lines up properly. Next, grab the text tool and begin typing your words. Press Enter after each word so every word appears on its own line. Continue placing the text along the guide across the face. Now start adjusting the text size. Highlight each word individually and use the mouse wheel on the size setting to fine-tune the size word by word. Keep checking the alignment while making these adjustments so the text stays centered and balanced across the face. After that, adjust the line spacing or leading so the words sit closely together with a small amount of space between each line. Zoom in and continue fine-tuning both the text size and the spacing until everything lines up cleanly with the subject's face. Once the text is in place, press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform. Drag the corners to resize the text until it fits the face the way you want. Make sure the text placement and scale match the layout shown. Now select the subject layer and press Ctrl and J to duplicate it. Drag the duplicated layer above the text layer. Right-click on the duplicated layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Click back onto the original subject layer, select the Marquee tool and make a selection on the left side of the image as shown. Then click the Layer Mask button. Next, add a background fill. Click the Adjustment Layer button and choose Solid Color. Then click OK. Drag this new fill layer to the bottom of the layer stack. Double-click the color thumbnail. Using the eyedropper tool, click on a black area in the image to sample the color. Click OK to apply it. Now remove the guide by dragging it off the canvas. Add a black and white adjustment layer, and make sure it stays at the top of all your layers. Change the preset to infrared. Then drag the red slider to 11. After that, add a levels adjustment layer. Set the shadow output level to 11 and the shadow input level to 26. Leave the remaining sliders unchanged. And that's it. You now have a clean and bold text portrait effect in Photoshop.